Okay, come on guys, let's go down by Dad. Well, stop.
Here they come.
I'm going this way. Come on. I don't believe you. Come on.
Get her back on the leash, okay?
Come here, puppy. Good girl. You like hold still, and I.
There's lots of snow here. Get out of the snow.
Whoa.
Get out of the quick snow.
Keep going.
You're mean.
Meanwhile, Sophie's stuck. You're on your own, Soph. We'll see you later. Sophie, go over to the path I made, that way. Eileen is finding that she should have stuck to the path.
I came to get Sophia out.
Dive! Jump for it! We're just going to keep videotaping.
I'm in the jungle.
What you trying to do?
She's almost there. Will she make it? She has to take a break.
Almost got it.
Yay! Mommy made it. And you were laughing at me saying it doesn't look like you're going anywhere when I made that trail. Now you know why. It didn't look like I was going anywhere.
You can get up. Use your arms and push on the ground.